Good morning everyone. My name is Kya Bishwas. I student in Falakata College 6th semester student. In the subject of political science of the seminar presentation in the Indian agreements with China. To the topic is divided into 5 different parts. 1. Introduction to reason of conflict. 3. 1962 war. 4. Relation restored. 5. Conclusion. I am going to talk about 3 parts. 1962 war. Sino-Indian War. The Sino-Indian War, also known as the Indochina War, Sino-Indian border conflict and by some, clash on the roof of the world, was a war between China and the occurred in 1962. A Chinese dispute Himalayan border was the main cause of the war. Indochina of 1962. How it started and what happened later. On the anniversary of the end of Sino-Indian War of 1962, here are some facts on how the war started and what happened in the war. India never suspected that China would ever launch an attack, but it did. India was attacked on October 20, 1962 in what famously come to be known as Sino-Indian War of 1962. The belief of not ever being attacked by China did not the Indian army prepare, and the result was the standoff between 10,000 to 20,000 Indian troops and 80,000 Chinese troops. The war continued for about a month and end on November 21 after China declared a ceasefire. On the anniversary of the end of Sino-Indian War, let us take you through a timeline regarding how the war began and all I will that took place during a course. How did it start? 1. Unknown. With the independence of the Republic of India and the formation of the People Republic of China, in the Indian government was that of maintaining cordial relation with China. 2. Known. When China announced that it would be occupying Tibet, India sent a letter of protest pushing negotiations on the Tibet issue. China was ever more active in deploying troops on the Aksai Chain border than any other Indian republic was. 3. Known. India was so concerned about its relation with China, it did not ever attend a conference for a conclusion of a peace treaty with Japan because strove to become Chinese representative in matters related to world since had been in soiled for many